So the great thing about Snapchat being a new platform means there are new strategies and new promotional campaigns and methods coming out by businesses every single day. As people figure out the platform, they figure out what works best and what their fans respond to in the best way. So there's a lot of different ways you can have exclusive offers and creative Snapchat challenges for your businesses. Some common ones are scavenger hunts around a city looking for clues. And you leave that clues by your Snapchat story, and the winner wins a prize or a discount or a gift card to your business. There's a lot of different ways you can go. Today I just wanted to share one that was really creative by 16 Handles. It was run as one of the very first Snapchat promotions in the early months of 2014, and it significantly increased 16 Handles, the yogurt shop's sales, for the period of time that it was run. And it's a super smart campaign. I'm going to read to you exactly what they did, and hopefully it inspires ideas or gives you some motivation to create some of your own cool creative campaigns with your Snapchat fans. So, a recent Snapchat promotion run by New York City-based yogurt shop 16 Handles worked in 3 steps. First step, you'd send a picture or a Snapchat image of yourself tasting yogurt on site of the company's Snapchat account. So you'd go into a frozen yogurt store that had the branding 16 Handles, of course. You'd take a photo of you sampling one of their flavors, which you can do for free, send it to their Snapchat account, and then 16 Handles would automatically send a Snapchat image of a coupon back to your account. Finally, and most importantly, you'd have to wait to open the snap containing the coupon until you're at the register ready to redeem the coupon. So you had to literally open the Snapchat that you get back from the company at the register as you're checking out and paying for your item, and inside there is a coupon. And you don't know how much the coupon is worth until you're holding a bucket of frozen yogurt or ice cream that you're about to pay for. The coupon was anywhere between 16% off to 100% off your purchase. And you don't know how much you got off. So you could have got 16% off, you could have got 20% off, or you could have got 100% off. But the thing is, people love this novelty and they love the chance to get a free frozen yogurt. So they were running into 16 Handle stores to try and get as big of a tub as possible and fill it with frozen yogurt, and then go and see what they won, what coupon they won when they get to the register. And I mean, they could have found out that they only got 16% off and still had to pay quite a bit of money for this bucket of ice cream. But the thing was that it really did work and really did help their business during this time. And it's a super smart, intuitive promotion that they ran, because it really does incorporate some awesome features that Snapchat have, such as live back and forth texting, and the fact that the coupon will disappear in 10 seconds, so you have to open at the register. So you should have a think about how you can run something like this for your business. It might be just coupons off if you can draw a picture of yourself wearing one of your shirts for your company. It can be anything. Let your mind go free. Write down some great ideas that you're having, and then try them out. Try them out one by one and see how they go. Looking forward to seeing how they go. Let me know in the discussion if you have some success. I'd love to hear it.